That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
Hello, welcome to Finance 101 and Stock for Beginners. So on today's episode, we're going to add some shares to Air Canada. So as if we go into Air Canada right now, we can see that I own 18 shares of Air Canada on the average price of $17.44. So on today, I'm going to add 6 more shares to Air Canada. So if we scroll down here, all the way down here, we can see that I have $220 of Canadian dollars. And lately, I've been buying a lot more Canadian stocks because the exchange rate from US to Canadian is really high. And even though Wealthsimple don't charge you for any trade fees, when you do exchange, they find a way to make some money off you. And the exchange rate seems so high right now. So lately, I've been focusing more on buying and adding on to my Canadian stocks. So as always, I always set limit. So we do limit buy, and the highest price I go to is, how much is the price right now? So right now it's showing that the price is $18.54. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set it for $18, 18, and set it for 18.55. And let's see, and then I'm gonna put in one more 5, and I'm gonna put in 6 shares. So you're gonna go to buy AC. Continue. Always confirm order. And that's about it. We should get it anytime soon because a special report, we went to 55, so that should be in anytime. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. I just keep adding on to the stocks I already have. The one is going to be time tested when it comes down to the stock market turning around and going back up. Yesterday was a really good day in the stock market, and a lot of stocks were up, and it was mostly due to transportation. And now that they think they got more truck drivers, or the shippings, they got more ships, or they got more people working. And I think that's that for yesterday's result. But I don't know what's going to happen from here on. But if you have any good stock you have an eye on, I think the price is low enough, you should get in and buy some. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video.